It's so obnoxious. We're always putting money into it and all it does is just sit there and take up space.
No, what's obnoxious is all that noise it makes in the morning. And that smell, ugh.
We have to get rid of it.
Agreed.
Dear Mom and Dad, I overheard your conversation in the kitchen this morning, and my heart is broken. I can't believe you are getting rid of the coffee maker. But I heard you say so with my own 3 ears. Frankly, I don't know if I can survive like this. I love coffee. That is why I'm running away. I plan to find a place where I can have coffee in the mornings. When I can have coffee whenever I want. I love you guys, but I love coffee more. Goodbye, forever.
Whoa, stop.
Son, that conversation you heard wasn't about the coffee maker.
It wasn't? No, of course not. We know you love your coffee.
We were talking about the dog.
Oh my gosh, I'm so relieved. Wait, you thought we were gonna get rid of the coffee maker?